In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Salesforce. Many of you might be wondering how to make your Salesforce interface more comfortable on the eyes, especially during those late-night work sessions. At this moment, Salesforce is developing its own native dark mode feature, which may begin rolling out as a beta feature in future releases, possibly by winter 26. However, until that time comes, you can achieve a similar effect using your browser. Now, let's dive in and explore the most reliable method to get that soothing dark theme you've been craving while using Salesforce Lightning Experience. The simplest and most effective way to achieve this is by using a browser extension. Specifically, for those of you using Chrome, you can find various extensions tailored for this very purpose. Allow me to guide you through this straightforward process, and soon enough, you'll have a dark theme up and running. The first step is to navigate to your Chrome web store. Once you're there, you'll want to search for a dark mode extension. You'll find a couple of popular options that work seamlessly with Salesforce. One is called Salesforce Dark Theme, which is specially designed for the Salesforce environment. Another reliable choice is Dark Reader, a versatile extension that works for numerous websites beyond just Salesforce. Either option should suit your needs effectively. After you've selected your preferred extension, it's time to install it. Simply click on the Add to Chrome button and follow the straightforward installation prompts. Chrome makes this process quite intuitive, so just proceed as directed. Once the installation is complete, go ahead and open your Salesforce organization. Now, direct your attention to the browser's toolbar. Here, you should notice an icon representing the extension you just installed. It might appear as a puzzle piece or represent the specific extension's icon. Clicking on this icon will open the extension's Settings pop-up. Within this window, you should see an option to toggle dark mode on or off. Simply switch it to the on position, and voila! Your Salesforce interface should transform into a pleasant, eye-friendly dark theme. By following these steps, you can enjoy the benefits of a dark mode interface while working in Salesforce, making for a more comfortable viewing experience, especially in dimly lit environments. Remember, until Salesforce releases its own built-in feature, these browser extensions are your best bet for achieving dark mode. We hope this guide was helpful. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new dark theme experience in Salesforce.